Okay, I did not know this, and you're going to want to know this. Let's talk about halo jumpers. They are high altitude, low opening.
There we go.
These two divisions work flawlessly together, and you're going to get to see it here today.
One more. There we go. One there.
Bring you this wonderful air show. They're located right here in Louisville. Just here is Airlift
Did I miss it? One more. There we go. One there. Help quick, it's low.
Which we'll see momentarily. First up.
Okay, I did not know this, and you're going to want to know this. Let's talk about halo jumpers. They are high altitude, low opening. These two divisions work flawlessly together, and you're going to get to see it here today. This technique involves jumping from an aircraft.
Get your cameras ready, folks, because this you won't want to miss. The circuit will super Hercules.
This airman has participated in nearly every major operation since desert.
Without whom we could not bring you this wonderful air show. They're located right here in Louisville, just off of Great Lane, adjacent to the Muhammad Ali International Airport. Get your cameras ready, folks, because this is the pass you won't want to miss. The Super Hercules is a versatile aircraft and can fly at a maximum of 400 miles per hour. It has a range. You can operate with us here in Airlift
The 123rd Airlift Wing is one of the most decorated units in Air Force history.
18 outstanding unit awards. It's airmen have participated in every major